Hello बच्चों. So we are doing chapter number 8. A house is not a home. Of this chapter moments. So in which I was on page number 50. So let's begin. My mother ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents. So just before I was telling you that in his home, not in his house, okay? I told you the difference between house and home. So in his home, what happened? The smugging, that the fire was rolling up. आग लग गई थी. The house caught fire. So because of that, everyone was just running out, and the house was full of smoke. So here my mother means the writer's mother. So writer here is not the writer, here authoress is there, I told you, but she is telling her own story through the character of this boy. So here my mother means the mother of that boy ran out of the house carrying a small metal box, and mother just running out with a box. She was having a box and she was running out. She dropped the case on the lawn and crazed state ran back into the house, and suddenly when she was running out suddenly she remembered something. Oh my god, I have forgotten something in the house only. So she returned to take back what she has forgotten. Is that clear? I knew that certain that she was not going to let his letters go up in flames. They were the only things that she had to remember him by. Still, I screamed at her. And when she was returning when mother was returning to take the things what she has forgotten earlier, so in that time that boy was screaming. Screaming means loudly, speak loudly, mom, mom, like this. She was running inside the house, inside the home, and the boy was just crying out very loudly, mom, mom, don't go, mom, don't go. I was about to run after her. I was about after her means behind her. उसके पीछे मैं भी दौड़ रहा था. And when I felt a large hand hold, and suddenly what happened? I was just going to run. Suddenly someone has just hold my hand very tightly. It was a fireman. And who hold the hand? The fireman. I told you the house has been caught fire, and because of that fireman was called. So here mother was just returning. Mother was running inside the house, and the writer was also going to enter into the house. Suddenly what happened? The fireman hold tightly the hands of the boy. I hadn't even noticed that the street had already filled, and because of the smoke, everywhere the smoke was filled, and in the street fire trucks were available. I was trying to free myself from my grasp. Grasp means the holding, tight holding. Okay, samjhana in the sense. Yelling, you don't understand, my mother and I was just shouting. That means to make him understand. To make someone understand. Understand. Okay, किसी को समझाना means called listening. So here fireman was holding the hands of writer, and the writer, that boy, was grasping. Grasping means the boy was telling कि my mother is inside, let me go, I have to go, I have to go. Means he was shouting. Yelling means shout. Yelling, shout. Shout करना. Okay, so here the writer was just shouting, and he was grasping the fireman. Please let me go. Why? Because my mother is inside. Okay, so here just see, he held on to me while other firefighters ran into the house, and only one fireman was holding my hand and others were just running inside the house. He knew that I was not acting very logically and that if he were to let her go, I would run. He was right. Now finally he was saying, I know he was saying not to go there, not to go inside. Why? Because of the fire. Everything means everywhere smoke was there. So it was it will be very dangerous for the boy. For that boy it will be very dangerous. Why it will be dangerous? Because the breathing problem may occur. So like this only fireman was just saying that boy not to go like this only, and it's all right, they will get her. Means in here he was the boy was understanding. The boy was clearly got that my mother will be saved by the firefighters and I have to stay here only. So he wrapped a blanket around me and sat me down in our car. Finally what happened? They are having a car and the fireman has taken one blanket and wrapped me. Wrapped means lapetna, to make me cover, and he make me sit in the car. Soon after that, fireman emerged from our house with my mom in tow. T-O-W. Here is written T-O-W. Means to pull something. So, to pull something. To pull a car or boat behind another boat behind another vehicle using a rope. Using a rope, you know, rassi. So I have written here tow. It's not TWO2, it's tow. It is tow. So tow means what happened? So writer was outside of the house and means one fireman was just holding the hand of his that writer. So here what happened? Finally he was just outside sitting also, and suddenly what happened? He saw that one car is there and mother was just pulling by a firefighter, and that tow was bind with a rope means रस्सी से बंधा था, like that. Okay, so and he quickly took her over to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her. And suddenly what happened? Mother was outside by the firefighters, and means suddenly the firefighters just attached a oxygen mask also. Why? Because she was you can say means her nose, her stomach and even her chest also, you can say, was filled with smoke. So because of that, to avoiding her death, firefighters has taken one oxygen mask and put it on the nose of his mother. And I also ran over. I just ran to my mama and hugged her also. And although here he is just admitting many times I argued with my mother, but here I was feeling only affection. I hugged my mother. Hug, you know, gale lagana, kiss karna. And my hate, जो उसका hate था, and my hate was vanished. Vanished means गायब होना. okay, at the thought of losing her, and I thought ki my mother is all okay or not. So at this he was much troubled by looking the condition of his mother. So here beta you mark here, will continue in the next class. Till then take care, goodbye, keep revising, happy learning.